Hi everyone, I'm Michael Cortesis from the Cortesis Real Estate team. We're at 744 Spragge Crescent. This home is situated on a cul-de-sac. It's close to shopping and schools. Come on in, let's go take a look. As you walk in, you'll see the large and very bright living room. The eat-in kitchen is bright and open with a walkout to the deck. Your entire family will love spending time in the great wheel. The upper level has 3 spacious bedrooms, with a 4-piece bath. The lower level has an office and a 2-piece bath. A great feature is the large backyard with private deck.